Okay, so what we're going to do now is use Google Forms as a way of having a pastoral check-in with your students. Now, the reason this is important is with the best will in the world, we all want to check in with those young people that we work with, but it can be quite hard to stay on top of how they're feeling and check in on their well-being. So using a Google form is a great way of doing that. And with Mote, you can actually enhance the experience both from teacher and the student perspective by allowing the insertion of audio. So let me show how. What I'm going to do here is you will notice that I've set this form up with a few questions, and I'm just put the link in the description below. So you'll be able to access this as a template. Now, some of these questions don't require myself or the student to insert their voice, but this particular question, I think it would be really useful to do just that. So what I'm going to do is click inside the question, and as I've got Mote installed, you'll notice I've got this button just here that allows me to record. So I'm going to add my voice. The feedback has been from the community that this is a great way of engaging and enhancing accessibility and connection using a Google form. So here we go. Okay, thanks for letting me know that. Would you like to perhaps share a little more to let me know about things that might have been happening that have made you feel this way? Thanks so much. Once I've recorded this, I've now got a clickable note that I can play back just to check in. Okay, thanks for letting me know that. Now that sounds good to go. So what I would do now is I can share this with my students, and this can of course be a resource that they come back to. So maybe I would pin it in a Google Classroom stream or have it as a resource, maybe a Google site, just something that they know that they can go back to. What I'll do now is I'll show you how it looks from a student perspective. So I would fill my name in here, put my own name in. Today's been a great day, so I'll put a 5. And then what I have as a student is I can listen to my teacher voice, so that helps from accessibility perspective. Okay, thanks for letting me know that. And what's also super powerful is I can, using Mote for Forms, add my voice as a response for my teacher. So here we go. The reason that today has been such a great success is that I played at my basketball club and had a great time with my friends and learnt a lot from the coach. And I'm just going to let my teacher know that for now I'm fine. I just wanted to let them know that that had been happening. Clicking on Submit, I'm going to jump back to the teacher perspective here and show you exactly how that looks when I jump into the Google Sheets. So for those of you that may not have used Mote for Forms before, you might not know that this is a enhanced superpower that you get with Mote. So as we know, Google Forms can link directly into a Google Sheet, which is a really great way to get all of the responses in the same place. With Mote, what I can do is hover my mouse over any link or any voice note that I were to receive from my students, and then I can play this back from within the Google Sheet. So I've not got to open up lots of tabs, and you'll notice below that I even get a transcription of this particular voice note. So there we go. I hope that was of use. I hope you enjoyed a template. Anything that you'd like to add, any ideas that you might have, please don't hesitate to let us know. Until next time, thank you.